So today we're doing a valve cover gasket on the driver's side of a 2015 5-liter Mustang. And what you can see here is the valve cover's off, and we're getting ready to clean up the cylinder head. And what we'll do is, after we get that all cleaned up, then what we do is we come over here to the valve cover gasket and make sure that we get any of the old parts of the valve cover out of the valve cover. And what we'll do from here is we'll go ahead and get this cleaned up, and we'll put the new Ford valve cover gasket in, because on these type of motors we don't like to use any aftermarket type gaskets. So what we'll do is we'll put in a Ford original gasket. And one of the problems that the customer was having is the oil was leaking out of the bottom of the valve cover and running right down the block and getting on the oil pan and dripping on the gentleman's driveway. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put in a new valve cover gasket for him and get everything put back together and get it up and running, and he'll be good to go like new. So if you have a valve cover leak in the Millersville, Severn, Odenton, Severna Park area, in the zip codes of 21108, 21144, 21113, and 21146 in surrounding areas, just give us a call. We can also service any other type of vehicles, Chevy, Dodge, along with all your European and your Asian vehicles, if you have a valve cover leak and need some new valve cover gaskets installed. So anyway, that's our tip for today. I hope everybody has a nice weekend. Take care.